Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best palm sanders in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Black Plus Decker DEMS 600. Up next is a product known for its high performance and finger attachment. The Black Plus Decker Mouse Detail Sander, DEMS 600, will help you reach even the most difficult spaces easily. You can get your job done quickly with this product in the house. Furthermore, it is powered by a 1.2 amp motor and works at 14,000 orbits per minute. This makes it a perfect choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Also, the item comes with 3-position grip control that will let you move it with ease. We were very happy with the reduced vibration, and we had complete control over this. Lastly, the package comes with sheets of sandpaper, a finger attachment, and the tool itself. We were able to start using it as sandpaper was already provided in the pack. WEN 6301. Next, the sander comes with an ergonomic grip which helps in perfecting the contours. It will fit easily into the palm of your hand, and there is ribbed rubber backing. This prevents the hand from slipping during the work process. Plus, it comes with a hook and loop base pad, which makes removing sandpaper very easy. You can quickly change the paper in between the work process without any issues. Also, the compact size makes it easier to reach difficult corners. You can achieve complete precision with this. Craftsman CMU 231. This is equipped with a 3-amp motor that allows the sander to spin at 12,000 orbits per minute. The motor gives it enough power to complete jobs quickly, and you can aim to work on large projects with ease. Also, since the size is 10, multiplied by 5 x 5.75 inches, you can easily fit it into narrow spaces. We were working on a bed with intricate designs on the sides, and this helped us sand it properly from all areas. Next, it has an onboard dust collection bag that will hold the dust and prevent it from flying around. This makes it perfect for indoor use, as the dust does not spread around much. Adding on, the switches are protected from dust with a seal around them. The seal prevents any form of dirt or debris from entering the body, and this, in turn, makes it more durable. Tekbo TAMS 22P. If you are looking for that perfect device for home decoration and gift giving, then the Tekbo Mouse Detail TAMS 22P is a great choice. It is an excellent gift to give your loved ones if they are enthusiastic about woodwork. Plus, it comes with sandpaper, and you can begin working immediately. We loved the narrow head design, which allowed us to work with difficult corners. The edge is made in such a way that you can use it in narrow corners, and you can work on edges and all kinds of floor spaces too. Further, to make work a lot easier, this one has a rubber handle that is easy and comfortable to hold. The product is lightweight and comes with a good grip. You will be able to work easily and for longer hours. The rubber is also very soft and will prevent any kind of hand fatigue. Adding on, this one comes with a reusable dust collection bag. A powerful copper motor powers a highly efficient fan, and that is connected to the dust bag. Bosch Dual Mode 6-inch Random Orbital Sander. This beast might be more sander than you need, but if you do extensive woodworking that involves both aggressive sanding and finish sanding, then the Bosch Get 75M6 might be for you. This 7.5 amp sander has 2 modes. One is Random Orbital Sanding for smooth, swirl-free finish sanding. The other is Turbo Mode, which kicks up the sanding power ×3, basically turning the tool into a belt sander for rapid and rough sanding of wood and other materials. There is variable speed control with a range of 3,300 OPM to 7,300 OPM, and the tool maintains speed even during heavy use. It uses 6-inch discs and has a removable pad guard to keep the sander from hitting nearby surfaces while you work. This is a rugged tool, constructed to last. It has a comfortable handle on top, as well as an auxiliary handle along the side for better control with less fatigue. Skill 7292-2. Do you want to work on a lot of surfaces? The Skill 7292-2 will help you do so without worrying about dust. We were very happy with the dust collection port and the efficiency that it offered. This comes with a number of features that stand out, and you should read on to know about them. Also, this is equipped with pressure control technology that keeps a watch on the amount of pressure applied. If you go overboard, then you will be receiving a warning. This worked out well, especially when we were working for long periods of time. Moving on, there is a built-in vacuum adapter that helps us collect dust. This will make it very easy to connect to a vacuum and pull all the dust. Plus, we loved the customer care service, and they were very helpful in dealing with our queries. We did not have to wait at all, and we got our queries answered within minutes. Black Plus Decker 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. Not every job nor every DIY requires the highest power or speed in a random orbital sander. If you'll only need a random orbital sander for very light or infrequent household tasks, such as refurbishing an old piece of furniture, a simple, budget-friendly option might make more sense. The best-selling Black Plus Decker Dero 100 earns high praise for doing a great job at a rock-bottom price. It's not as powerful as many higher-priced sanders. The motor is just 2 amps, but that's sufficient for a simple job like smoothing the top of a table before painting. Note, though, that the sanding speed is fixed at 12,000 orbits per minute, making this model a little less versatile than higher-priced choices with variable speed control. This sander has a dust collection bag, but several buyers complained that the bag does a poor job of containing the dust, and unlike many similar tools, you cannot attach this one to a shop vacuum.